Welcome to this quick and easy guide on how to send multiple photos with text on Telegram using your PC, featuring the latest update that makes this process smoother than ever. First, start by opening the Telegram app on your PC and sign in if you haven't already. Once you're in, navigate to the chat where you want to share your photos. This can be a one-on-one conversation or a group chat. Next, look for the attachment icon inside the chat window. It usually looks like a paperclip and is located near the message input field. Click on this icon, and from the options presented, choose Photos and Videos. This will open a window where you can browse your computer files. Now, select all the photos you want to send in that chat by clicking on them. You can usually select multiple files by holding down the Control key CMD key on Mac while clicking each photo. After selecting your photos, hit the Open button to attach them to your message. Below the attached photos, you will see a caption bar where you can type in the text you want to accompany those photos. This is the perfect place to add a message, description, or any context for the images you're sharing. When your text is ready and you've reviewed your photos, simply click the Send button. Your message, along with all the photos, will be sent together in the chat. And that's it. With these simple steps, you can now send multiple photos along with a text message in any Telegram chat on your PC using the latest update. This makes sharing moments, stories, or important information more convenient and visually engaging.